What is up, guys, and welcome back to Mechanical High, and welcome to another episode on our 2005 Mercedes E55 AMG. Today it's just me. I'm Robbie. Quinn and Josh are off doing something, but we have the E63 front bumper conversion for the E55 today. I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into it. Let's get it. So this kit is pretty extensive as far as what comes with it, as you can frickin' see. So we have the actual bumper itself. We have the godhand style front lip and carbon, which I've already revealed to y'all in the walkthrough video, so make sure you go check that video out. We have these smaller boxes right here, which is part of the conversion kit. We have the E63 front grille. Also, we have some smaller stuff over here. So this is like the bumper supports for the new bumper, as well as the fog lights and everything. So yeah, this kit's pretty extensive. It's gonna make this car look so aggressive though, so I'm quite excited. I'm gonna go ahead and start unboxing some of the parts and trying to see what all this entails, but I know it's gonna be a bear. While we are at it and while I have the front bumper off and everything, I might as well go ahead and do what I want to these headlights, because these are some crusty tail headlights, and so I want to get them looking nice. So I might as well go ahead and do that in this video. So, unboxing. I'm also going to go ahead and apologize for the weird angles and stuff in this video. It is just me. I am without a tripod currently, so it is handheld for the win. Yeah, start cut the plastic. Like I said, I'm not going to unbox this quite yet because y'all have already seen it in the walkthrough video. And this is going to be the final piece to this puzzle of a front bumper. And knowing my smart self, I would drop it and break the carbon, which I don't want to do. So I'm just going to put this off the side for now. Oh, good Lord, that's shiny. That's freaking beautiful though. So this is the E63 front grille. Also, in my building of this car in my mind, I possibly will be painting this gloss black. I hate to ruin the chrome, but it's gonna look better gloss black in my mind, especially with what I'm gonna do to the headlights. So that's actually really nice. Quite happy with that. There's a close up. It's got like gloss black accents too, so I might be able to run that actually. We'll see. These are your fog lights. I'm gonna put those back in the box because I'd break them. This stuff is the bumper supports for the actual front bumper piece. There's nothing special. We have the actual front grille pieces and the headlight housings, or the fog light housings. Two little whatever covers. All the chrome that will stay chrome. And the actual fog light housings themselves. Cool. Okay, somebody please tell me why Mercedes has to over-engineer so incredibly much this stupid front bumper. I kid you not, I just had to remove like 14 different tabs that all connected to something. Oh, screws, bolts. Let's use a freaking retainer to hold your bumper to the freaking fender, because that's smart. That won't piss anybody off. Ridiculous. I'm not gonna bore you with switching everything over to that bumper because it might drive me through a freaking wall. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna do that now. All right, so I've switched over everything that I can to the E63 front bumper. And not gonna lie, this kit is kind of crappy. Actually, it's very crappy for what I paid for it. And it's slightly pissing me off. So what can you see that is not right? Yes, the sides are both flaring out. So yes, they will get stuck back in when you actually have the clip and retainer on both sides. But I'm just gonna chalk this up to hopefully just shipping, and once I put the retainers back on, it'll kind of suction that in. But before that, I'm gonna take it back off because these inner liners that they give you are the crappiest pieces of plastic like ever. I've popped this, oh look, there it goes again. I've popped this one in probably 14 times now and it keeps just. So I'm gonna take that back off, take out these side liners, just so I can get it to fit up properly. For right now, I am gonna leave off the chrome strips just because I am wrapping it in the next week or so. Well, I don't have to take it back off if I just put it back on. So we're gonna do that, see how well it fits from then, put these stupid things on. Potentially throw the lip on. I'm also not gonna throw the fog lights in yet. Gonna wait till after I wrap it again. For what I paid for it, not necessarily happy with this kit. It looks cool, but the quality's just not there. So, minus the grill. The grill's worth it, but that's a genuine Mercedes part. Yeah. All right, I'm out of time for the day, which is wildly unfortunate because I was hoping I was gonna get this done today. And just like anything, it takes about 9 times as long as it should have. Thank you, Mercedes. But anyways, both of the headlights are out and torn apart. This one's last coat is just drying right there. Looking really good with the gloss black in the internals. I actually did go ahead and spray paint the E63 front grille. So that's now black, gloss black. Other headlight, so you can actually see what it looks like on the tape off and everything. And the lights back in. Looks really good. I think I've already showed you this, but the E63 front bumper is just chilling. Gonna need extra help on this. Also gonna need extra help on these. So these are the headlight lenses. I have, no joke, sanded these for 2 hours now and just tried with everything that I have to get them somewhat right. And as you can see, they still need a lot of work. These lenses were way worse than I thought they were going to be. So again, I need to go grab Quinn's orbital polisher, and I'm out of higher grit sandpaper, so I'm gonna grab some of his as well to hopefully be able to bring these back to life. But again, I'm out of time for the day, so I know this is just like 2 seconds to you guys, but this is where we're stopping for the day. I'm gonna move that inside, and we will catch up probably with the other guys here. Okay, it's a new day. I found Josh. I found Quinn. So update on where we are. Headlights are still just chilling over there. The lenses, though, have been sanded and are
pretty smooth.
Yeah, actually, looking pretty good. Yeah, they are not clear, but we're about to polish them when they are sanded. But here's what we need to show you. The freaking front bumper. Oh my lord, that's so beautiful. So lip is on, fog lights are in. It's pretty much ready to go on the car now. We are going to end up gluing these shut. Move my shadow because every time I brake, that's just gonna fall. So we're gonna glue those shut and it should be good to go. So we're gonna polish up these headlights real quick, seal them back together, throw them on the car. Yeah, that's about it. Okay. So the headlights are now put back together. All the lenses are polished up. Headlights, well, the insides are blacked out. Other one's just chilling over there in the sun, getting that silicone dried up. Bumper is all ready to go back in. Fog lights are ready to go. And actual grille is in. Looks quite good. So probably just gonna throw a time lapse of us putting everything back together, making this not a stock E55 anymore. Let's do it.
Yeah, I feel like that.
Bro.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it looks
Yeah.
amazing.
Looks so much better.
Yes.
Even with just primer gray on it, it looks fantastic.
Yeah. Oh, that looks amazing. Not a huge fan of the fact that I now have two Mercedes emblems so freaking close together. And that's NZ too. So
Yeah, so you can't just take it off. Do something custom right there.
Yeah, so we gotta plug in a few smaller things and tidy up some wiring, but as far as that goes, that is
On.
yeah, that's on. That looks beautiful. So we're gonna end this video with a few cinematics. Sorry, I'm dusty. We're gonna end this video with a few cinematics, but we're gonna tidy some things up, get it on the ground. We'll show you the cinematics. Thank you so much for watching. When it comes to building your car, make sure to build it. Don't buy it, and we'll see you next week. Bye. We're gonna do your rumble.
Look at his watch hand. Look at
Oh,
take
yeah,
a minute
yeah.
and look at Robert's watch hand.
It's yeah.
Alright.
Drop it, drop it.
Drop it. Oh, that's good.
I don't know about it clearing, man.
It'll be fine. Oh.